Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the check engine light with an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner and capturing stored and pending codes. Common codes include P0300 for random misfire and P0420 for catalyst efficiency. Before swapping parts, perform basic checks. Inspect and tighten the gas cap until you hear 3-5 clicks. Measure the battery resting voltage at 12.6 volts, and visually inspect vacuum lines for cracks or loose clamps. Record the exact code numbers and freeze frame data. Those figures guide whether to pursue sensors, ignition, fuel, or emissions repairs. Address the specific code with targeted parts. Replace oxygen sensors when codes or emissions tests indicate failure, typically near 60,000 miles for older sensors. If misfire codes appear, change spark plugs according to type: copper near 30,000 miles, iridium up to 100,000 miles, and inspect ignition coils for damage. For P0420, verify upstream O2 sensor performance and exhaust leaks before replacing the catalytic converter. After repairs, clear the trouble codes using your OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner rather than disconnecting the battery, which can erase learned parameters. Drive the car through a full drive cycle, city and highway, for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow readiness monitors to run and the ECU to reevaluate systems. If the CEL returns, rescan and compare new codes to previous ones, document all parts replaced and test results, and if unresolved, escalate to a technician with live data capability and Toyota-specific diagnostic resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.